Manual processes, costly errors, endless stress. Pharmacy automation isn't just the future, it's the solution your team deserves. Pharmacy automation combines advanced robotics, intuitive software, and intelligent workflows to handle repetitive tasks, so your team can focus on patients, not paperwork. Automation isn't about replacing humans, it's about empowering them. Fewer errors, happier patients, more time to care. Worried about costs, compatibility, or training? With Noritz's 40 years of expertise, we handle the heavy lifting. Your workflow adapts. Your peace of mind stays intact. Noritza doesn't just sell machines, we build partnerships, custom solutions, reliable tech, and a team that answers the phone day or night. Your patients need you. Your team deserves better. Let Noritza shoulder the routine so you can lead with care. Start your journey today.